Hi everyone, let's look at our Boon Lay Garden Primary School P6 revision booklet on fractions. We are going to work out the solutions for the worksheets in the topic on fractions. Question 1. Express 2 and 3/7 as a decimal, correct to 2 decimal place. So first, we need to express this 2 and 3/7 into improper fraction. So 2 whole and 3/7 we will get 17, 7, 2 times 7, 14 plus 3 is 17. So 17/7, then we have to divide 17 divided by 7. 2 times 7 is 14. We put a decimal place. And so we will have 4 times 7 is 28. Bring down another 0. 2 times 7 is 14. 6. We have to correct to 2 decimal place, we must ensure that we have 3 decimal places. So 8 times 7 is 56. So now I know that I have 2.428. Correct to 2 decimal place. This is 1 decimal place, 2 decimal place. We notice that 8 is more than 4, so our answer is 2.43. Question 2. Express 6 hour in minutes. We know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Therefore, 1 6 hour I multiply by 60 and the answer is 10 minutes. Express 7 out of 50 meter in centimeters. I need to know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Therefore, 7 out of 50 I must multiply by 100. And my answer is 14 centimeters. Express 29 kilogram in grams. So I know 1 kilogram is 1000 gram. Therefore, 29 kilogram is 29 out of 50 times 1000. 29 out of 50. So I divide this. I have 1. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 29 times 20. And my answer is 580 gram. Express 610 liter in milliliters. So 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 610 liters I multiply by 1000 and the answer is 600 milliliters. Worksheet 2. Similarly, express 3 and 3/8 as a decimal. I need to convert these to improper fraction. So 3 whole will be 24/8 plus 3/8. The answer is 27/8. Then I use my long division. 27 divided by 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Put my decimal place. 30. 3 times 8 is 24. 7 times 8 is 56. Bring down this 0. So 5 times 8 is 40. So my answer is equals to 3.375. Question 2. How many 8s are there in 2 and 1/4? So first I need to express this into my improper fraction. 2 and 1/4 will be 2 times 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 9/4. I want to find how many 8s. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 9 times 2 will be 18. So answer is 18 8s. How many 6 are there in 5 and 2/3? 5 and 2/3 will be 17/3. I want to find out how many 6 are there. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 17 times 2 is 34. So there are 34 6. How many minutes are there in 3 and 1/5 hour? Again, I know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 3 and 3/5 hour will be 3/5 times 60. And the answer is 36 minutes. 4 and 3/4 equals to 4 plus how many plus 320? I know that when I plus or minus in a fraction, my denominator must be the same. So first I need to convert this to the same denominator. I would have times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, so it's 15. 20 equals to 4 plus how many plus 320? 4 whole. So 1520 minus 320, my answer here is 1220. In simplest form, 1220 would be equals to 3/5 when I divide by 4. So my answer is 3/5. Worksheet 3. Find the value of 3/5 divided by 15. I need to change this to multiply, and when I change this to multiply, I have to invert my number. So times 1 out of 15, answer would be 1 out of 25. Evaluate 310 divided by 12. Express your answer in simplest form. 310, I need to multiply by 112. Can cancel. 1 4, my answer is 1 out of 40. Evaluate 2/3 divide by 1/4. I know this one I have to multiply and I invert this. So 2 times 4 is 8 third. Answer is 2 and 2/3. Evaluate 9 divided by 3/4. 9 times 4 out of 3. Answer is 12. Evaluate 3/8 times 4, 20. This one I do not have to invert because it's a multiply. Can cancel this. So it's 3 out of 40. What fraction of 2 hours is 45 minutes? So what fraction of 2 hours? I know to find fraction. My denominator is my whole, which is your 2 hours and 45 minutes. Realize that I cannot do this because my units are not the same. I have to change my 2 hour, which will give me 120 minutes, 45 minutes. Only now that I can cancel. 45 out of 120, my answer is 3/8. What fraction of 4 kilogram is 250 gram? First, I need to change this to gram, and the answer is 400 gram, 4,000 gram, sorry. So it's 250 divided by 4,000 gram. 250 gram divided by 4,000 gram. And the answer is 1 out of 16. What fraction of 3 hours is 25 minutes? Again, 3 hours is 180 minutes. So I take 25 out of 180. And the answer is 5 out of 36. What fraction of 3 meter is 50 centimeter? First, I change this. 3 meter will be 300 centimeter. So it's 50 out of 300. Answer is 1/6. What fraction of 2 liter is 400 milliliter? First, I change 2 liter to 2,000 milliliters. So I take 400 out of 2,000. And the answer is 1/5. Worksheet 5. 2/5 of a number is 40. What is the number? 2/5 of a number. If I'm going to draw my model, I have 5 units. 2/5 is 40. So I know my 2 unit is 40. I want to find 5 units. So first I find 1 unit, which is 40 divided by 2 is 20. Therefore my 5 unit is 20 times 5. Answer is 100. If 4/7 of a number is 32, so I know 4 unit is 32. 1 unit will be 8. 7 unit will be 56. What is 3/4 of the number? So my number here is 56. So it's 3/4 times 56. And the answer is 42. If 2/9 of a number is 16, what is half of the number? 2 unit is 16. 1 unit will be 8. And 9 unit is the number which is 8 times 7. 8 times 9 is 72. I want to find half of the number. My number here is 72. So it's half times 72. And the answer is 36. 1/7 of a number is 20. So 1 unit is 20. I want to find 7 unit. It's 140. 1/5 of the number, this number is 140. So 1/5 times 140. And the answer is 28. Express 75 gram as a fraction of 1.5 kilogram. Again, fraction, I make sure that my unit is the same. So 1.5 kilogram is 1 kilogram 500 gram, which is 1,500 gram. So I want to express as a fraction of 1,500 gram. I take 75 out of 1,500. Answer is 1 out of 20. Express 45 minutes as a fraction of 1 1/3 hour. So 1 1/3 hour is 1 hour is 60. 1 1/3, I change this to mixed number, which is 4/3 times 60, which is 80 minutes. So now I take 45 out of 80. And the answer is 9 out of 16. Question 3. Express 80 centimeter as a fraction of 2 meter. First, I ensure that my units are the same. So 2 meter will be 200 centimeter. So I take 80 out of 200. And the answer is 2/5. Express 45 minutes as a fraction of 2 hour. I change this to minute. 2 hour is 120 minutes. I take 45 out of 120. Answer is 3 out of 8. A rope of length 8 meter is cut into 6 equal pieces. What is the length of 3 pieces? So 8 meter cut into 6 equal pieces, I will divide by 6. So 8 times 1, 6. It would be 1 out of 16. I want to find the length of 3 pieces. So 1 piece is 1/16. So 3 pieces will be 1 out of 16 times 3. Answer is 3/16 meter. William cut a piece of plank 9 meter into smaller equal pieces if each piece of smaller plank is 1/18 meter long. So I take 9 divided by 112, sorry. And I will get 9 times 12 out of 1. I will get 32 out of 3. This is 4. This is 3. So 8 times 4 is 32. And I would have 10 and 2/3. How many pieces of plank does he have? He actually have 10 pieces of plank. 20 pails are needed to fill 1/4 of a tank. So 20 pails is 1/4. So 1 unit is 20 pails. How many pails are needed to fill the whole tank? Whole tank is 4 unit. So it's 20 times 4. Answer is 80 pails.